Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is illustrious. It is pronounced illustrious and is spelt ILLUSTRIOUS. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Illustrious is an adjective that means well-known, respected and admired for past achievements. It is often used to describe someone who has achieved great success or fame in their field. For example, you could say, the scientist was an illustrious figure in the field of medicine, or the Queen's illustrious reign was marked by peace and prosperity. The word illustrious comes from the Latin word illustris, which means bright or clear. In the world of Harry Potter, Albus Dumbledore is an illustrious figure. He is known for his wisdom, magical prowess and leadership as the headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Synonyms for illustrious include distinguished, eminent, renowned and celebrated. Antonyms for illustrious include unknown, obscure, undistinguished and unremarkable. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, illustrious. Have a top day ahead and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.